Three-letter words starting to read books. Once your child has mastered three-letter words using the reading and silent E blocks, you are ready to introduce written words in books. Storybooks with three-letter words that can be sounded out phonetically and have 3 or 4 word sentences are best. It has been my experience that preschool children love you to tell them a story over and over again. Preschool children as young as 2 years old will be able to memorize a short sentence story and recite the story back to you. Read the story to your child. Usually after 4 or more times of reading the story, your child will know the story. Read the story and show your child the pictures in the story. Once your child is familiar with the story and pictures, show your child the written words of the story. Point to and say each word on the story page. Ask your child to repeat the words as you point to them. Find stories that have matching words that are on the reading blocks. Point to and say the word in the story. Ask your child to find the matching word on the reading blocks. If you are teaching your child to write, spell out the word using sandpaper letters or blocks, and have your child trace the letters of the word. Depending on your child's fine motor skills, have your child write the word on a piece of paper or blackboard. Once your child has learned the letter sounds of the alphabet, it is time to work on sight words and sentences. Usually it is best to keep sentences to 3-letter words that can be sounded out phonetically and introduce basic sight words that help make up those sentences. Short sentences for beginner readers should be 3 letters that can be sounded out phonetically with a CVC, a consonant, vowel, and a consonant, to make the word. Sentences are usually a noun, which is a name of something, and a sight word and a verb, an action, and have 3 or 4 words. In today's technological world, we can use the reading pen to pronounce sentences in books. The English Zone set of books has 6 phonic word sentence books, and the reading pen will say those sentences when the pen is touched to the word sentence on the book's page. Short sentence readers. Early readers. Start with a single word, then 2 words or more. All words should be lowercase letters and be able to be sounded out phonetically. Pictures should be color without a background or black and white. Storybooks are usually in color and should have sight words and 3 or 4 letter words that can be sounded out phonetically. The next step in your child's reading journey. Fast Start for Early Readers Kindergarten shows you how to develop your child's ear, tongue, eye, and word building skills so that your child will quickly be able to read most 3-letter words. This book will give you an early reading strategy showing you how to teach children to read and giving preschool children a head start before they go to grade school. How to teach children to read. This book will give you a step-by-step plan to teach preschool children how to read and write, no matter what your teaching experience. Children will learn the sound of alphabet letters, 86 phonogram sounds, which are phonics, 220 whole language sight words, vowels and the name of a letter, that the sounds of alphabet letters form words, that we can use words to read and write ideas, how to use words to create, read and write sentences. When your child goes to grade school, they will be reading to learn and not having to learn to read. Science has shown that the best time for a child to learn is between birth and 6 years of age, and in a play-based way. This is a more in-depth look and explains the why we use the learning to read methods shown in the book when teaching preschool children how to read. The bottom line is this: provide your child with a play-based reading environment. Play with your child and introduce the alphabet letter sounds one at a time. Read stories to your child. Take your child to the library and get out books that they like. What I have presented may sound complex, but keep it simple and step by step. Your child will learn over time. All my books have my email address in them if you wish to contact me with questions about teaching your child to read or write. Thank you for completing the Play-Based Ways to Teach Your Child to Read course. The books and online courses, Fast Start for Early Readers Kindergarten, Fast Start for Early Readers Level 1, and Fast Start for Early Readers Level 2, provide you with a step-by-step plan to teach your preschool child how to read and write. For more information, visit howtoteachchildrentoread.ca. Thank you and have a great day.